This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by the Sallinger team. Bedroom Dan and Mary Sallinger. Tons of updates and improvements just made. New wiring, new plumbing, hot water heater, cabinets, and bathroom upgrades. You can literally throw a rock from the yard to the beautiful lake across the street. Lots of family room with 2 living areas. Great comparative price per square feet in the area. New dishwasher to match other appliances is being scheduled for installation. May require flood insurance. Square feet approximately measuring encouraged. For more information, review the details below or contact the Sallinger team. Bedroom Dan and Mary Sallinger at 501-605-2021.